Oh, how's it going, everyone? And we had a big, wet, fluffy snow come in last night. Sun's out though. It's starting to warm things up, get things melted off. It won't take very long. I would expect out in one of our yards, I'd expect the colonies to be flying later today. There's some of them actually out already. It's not going to last very long. So I've been asked what is my take on treatment free, and there's a wide variety or large broad group of what people consider treatment free. I kind of break it down into like three aspects. There's the natural beekeeping. This group, they're more focused on like hive styles. A lot of them use like a laying style, really thick, highly insulated hives similar to a tree cavity. Now, I'm all for insulation. I think it is very valuable, and the bees do very well with it. And there's also the Darwinian style beekeeping. This one's kind of more of like the hands-off style. What we are focused on is just treatment free, though, not using the miticides or insecticides inside of our colonies, whether it's organic or synthetic. This includes like essential oils, this includes your grease patties and things of that nature. We do feed. I'm not against the feeding. We will feed when colonies need it. We feed both syrup and pollen patties and dry pollen. So I'm not against the feeding. I'm also one that utilizes swarms and brood breaks. Colonies naturally swarm, and we take advantage of that by creating a swarm through splits. Now, I usually don't split very hard in the early spring like a lot of beekeepers do. I split in the middle of summer, right around summer solstice. I prefer my queens young going into the fall and the winter and coming out into the spring ready to go. And I find that as long as we keep room on them, they will they're not highly into swarming. So that's how we do it. We do a lot of splits in the summertime. I also keep, if you can see, I also keep a lot of smaller hives. So I practice small hive management. Those are 7 frames right here behind me. We do a lot of stuff with 5 frames and also with the 6 frames that we're testing out now. So I really like the smaller hives. I'm in it for strong colonies that can withstand what Mother Nature throws at her, the bee viruses, the pests, diseases. I'm not solely focused on just large honey crops, though. And I want strong colonies that produce a honey crop, that produce excess, so that we can leave a lot of honey on the colonies, and hopefully that sustains them. But not every year it does, so we do have to feed them, especially into late summer and fall. But my goal isn't just massive honey production. That's not what we're after. Like I said, I'm more after the genetics of bees tolerating and resisting the viruses and diseases. So and getting a nice honey crop out of it and keep expanding, so I can not highly swarmy hives and things of that nature. I don't want to be chasing bees around. So that's my take on it, though. It's something that we do. I enjoy doing it that way. It meets our needs, and it's been a great way to keep bees for us in our operation. So for those that are wondering, no, that's kind of like my take. What we do here and how we manage our colonies for the treatment-free side. All right, y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.